Hi, welcome to Digital Web Garage. Our today topic is how to avoid the mode security error in WordPress WooCommerce server. If you are using a WooCommerce in your WordPress, there might be a chances to get a error of not acceptable page error. Not acceptable page error in the sense if there is no pages stored in your server, or if there is any issues, if there is any number of the transaction time is taking longer time, there will be a chances to close the pages from the server side due to security reason. The error will be like this. You can see when the customer is trying to do I'm explaining based on the WooCommerce error. It's if you are using a WooCommerce in WordPress, if you are using any payment gateways, example PayUmoney. If you are using a PayUmoney or some other gateway, if you wanted to integrate into your website, so it can happen by by installing the WordPress plugins. But what happens when the customer will enter into your website, when he will check out the pages, once the payment is complete, the website will return into this page. The page will look like this: not acceptable. An appropriate representation of the requested resource could not be found on the server. This error was generated by mode security. But mode security is generating the error because of the maintaining the security. Okay, so if you are going to find the solution for this, we need to disable the mode security from our server. Mode security is a security purpose applications to maintain the security in our website. We should keep that. We should not remove that. So if we remove mode security, or if we disable the mode security, there might be the chances to acquire some errors, or some hackers can hack the websites, and the issues can happen suddenly. That's why you need to keep the mode security in enable mode. Okay, so now how we can come out from this error? So let me tell you. So if you are using the gateways like third-party gateways in the sense, you can see there are lot of developers written the plugins and they uploaded in WordPress website. You can see, I will hide this, as you can there are a lot of gateways you can find from the WordPress. See, you can see here, this belongs to EU, simple. There are a lot of, you can see there are a lot of third-party partners. If you are using the third-party partners plugins, the error will come. So keep it in mind, the mode security error will occur due to the usage of third-party partner plugin payment gateway plugins. Sometimes it not happens, then it is okay, you can use the same plugin easily. Or if you are getting the author or developer support, or if you are getting the help from the developers to resolve the issue, then it is fine. If you wanted to come out of the issue and you don't want to disable the mode security, then you will have to uninstall the third party partner payment gateway plugins, and you need to install the payment gateway provided by the payment gateway providers. Example PayUmoney. So now you are integrating the plugins by WordPress. Now go to the PayUmoney gateway, PayUmoney website. There you will get an option. You can see this is the PayUmoney website. So if you go to developer guidelines, you will get the option called WooCommerce. You can see here. If you can download 3.4, 3.0, 2. Any of the versions you can download. If you download, you just need to download and you just need to upload into your website. That's a very easiest way. You need to enter into your WordPress admin bar. There is an option called add new plugin. There is an option called add new. Just upload the zip folder. That's it. When it's got uploaded successfully, you need to enable it in the backend admin panel. Then you need to set up the payment gateway keys. Example, whatever the merchant key, whatever the salt keys, all those keys you need to enter into the settings part. So once you complete it, you will never face the not acceptable error. This error caused only because of third party payment gateway partners plugins. That's why we need to use payment gateway providers plugins only to avoid this error. If we disable the mode security, there is a big chances to loss of our web security only. There is a chances to there is a chances to hack the website easily. So that's why we need to keep the mode security. So hope the resolution is helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.